and ahead the next.
All right, we've given everybody the news. You've had your opinion there, but stay there because I've got some more for you later. Here we go. Look at that recession signal. Yeah, that's the inverted yield curve. The 2-year yield is indeed higher than the 10-year yield. Should not be that way, but that's the way it is right now. A wide spread on this inversion. Market watcher George Seay is with us. The market doesn't seem to care much about this inverted yield curve now. 2 weeks ago, we dropped 800 points. What's going on?
We still got a lot of really strong economic data, Stuart, and I think the market's already shrugged and said, yes, we're going to soften, we're going to weaken, but it doesn't really know how much, so it doesn't really know how to price in how much softness we're going to get, and it's not going to stay inverted very long. The Fed's going to cut very soon, might even cut 50 basis points, so it's a temporary phenomenon.
I think the market is screaming at the Federal Reserve, hey, lower rates now, get on with it. You think they'll do it? 50 basis points real soon? You think it's going to happen?
I think they'll do 25. I think there's some hawks on the decision-making body at the Fed that'll resist 50, but I think they should do 50, and I think the market's telling them that's what they should do. But I'd be surprised if they go that far. They still think the economy is pretty strong.
Look, the economy would really I think the market would really take off if we got any kind of trade deal with China. But you don't think we're going to get that kind of deal, do you?
I don't. I think the Chinese are rooted in, and they're going to try to outlast the president and hope he loses and get a much softer deal from the Democrats when he does. I think that's their hope. They may wake up to a nightmare, though. He may win re-election and hammer down on them even further, and I salute what he's doing. I think it's courageous what he's doing.
But we're not going to get much of a market rally, are we, if we don't get some kind of deal with China before the election?
I'm not sure we're going to get a huge sell-off either, though, Stuart, because there just aren't any alternatives for investors. They're going to go buy a 10-year for spot 4.5 for 10 years. I don't see investors doing that. So I think we're kind of stuck right now. And if we do get a trade deal, you're hinting at what's exactly right. The market will explode to the upside. So that would be a burst of great news, but I'm not expecting that.
Okay, George, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it. We'll see you again soon.